Okay, so now we're on item 6. This is lesson 5. And again, it's just a quick overview of what we'd like you to do. I realize if you're doing these, maybe once per week, you may forget and you need to watch a video about what you need to do. The first thing you do is download lesson 5. That's on your computer now. I'm going to click this over here. I see it right here. I'll click on that to find it. I found it. I'm going to drag it to the desktop. I'm going to go to the desktop and I'm going to drag that lesson 5 into my lesson folder. I'm trying to be organized here. Double click the lesson folder. I'm going to create lesson 5 now. So I'm going to create a new folder, file, new folder. And that new folder is going to be called lesson.05. What am I going to do? I'm going to drag lesson 05 into that folder. I like to keep things organized. Double click in that folder. I'm going to duplicate this. Again, Finder menu. You're going to duplicate. And then I'm going to rename that. And how am I going to rename it? Get rid of copy. And I'm going to label it exercise. I'm going to double click it. I'm going to typeset it. And I see the output to it. All right. Now, the problem about seeing the output of this thing over here is that you need to study it. Oh, look at that. There's a question mark over here, right? There's a double question mark. So this is something that you may not be aware of. What I need to do is I need to typeset it twice to get rid of those question marks. And what are those things? Those are really references. And references have to be updated. And the reason for that, the first pass creates the number. The second pass will use the number. So I'm going to typeset again. Let me pull this over. And you're going to notice those things change. Now you notice the numbers now, 1, 3, and 4. This is important. And the reason for that, when it's first pass, it creates a number. On the second pass, it gets to use the number. So it takes 2 passes for it to update. Once it's updated, though, it doesn't update again and again. But if things change, it needs to be updated. I always say, like, if you have really long documents with a lot of references, typeset twice. All right, typeset twice. All right, so what do you got to do after doing that? And again, this is, you're going to be looking now at the exercise 5 PDF. You're going to click on that, and that's going to open up. And what you're going to do is reproduce. That's all you're going to do, reproduce, right? So you're studying input files, output files, and then you're trying to reproduce a PDF. It's a good way to learn LaTeX is by trying to reproduce a document. All right, reproduce. All right. So let me call it quits. But again, I really do appreciate you paying attention to this. Thank you.